Hey, it's Chang. Come with me and spend my Pamper Day at Candy Beauty on Lunch Wellness Tacloban. Today I'm trying their Candy Signature Facial. It's actually been years since my last visit to Candy. And honestly, it's about time na magpa-facial na tayo ulit. And by the way, hindi lang facial ang gagawin natin today, magpapadiode laser hair removal din tayo. I decided to get a facial this month because ang dami ko ng whiteheads and blackheads na naipon sa face ko. Mahilig kasi ako mag-jogging and do outdoor activities, so exposed tayo sa dust, sweat, and dirt almost every day. By the way, hindi naman masakit magpa-facial. I think the nose area is the most uncomfortable part. So I'd rate the pain around 5 out of 10. Overall, super relaxing siya, especially kapag minamassage na yung scalp and face mo. Some benefits of having facial: deeply cleanses the skin, remove blackheads and whiteheads, helps unclog pores, improves skin textures and glow, leaves your skin feeling fresh and refreshed. Next, I got a diode laser hair removal treatment. Honestly, matagal ko na talagang gustong subukan ito because sobrang bilis tumubo ng facial hair ko. Minsan kakashave ko lang kahapon tapos kinabukasan meron na kaagad. I used to shave every day, which caused hyperpigmentation, skin irritation, and rashes around my chin and neck area. Luckily, Candy Beauty Lounge and Wellness offers diode laser hair removal. And this was my first session. And guys, to be honest, hindi siya masakit. It's practically painless. So if you also want to reduce unwanted hair and achieve smoother looking skin, make sure to visit Candy Beauty Lounge and Wellness Tacloban. And don't forget to use my code HeyIt'sChang05 to get 15% off your treatment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.